All right, for this question, we have the perimeter of parallelogram HIJK is 32 inches. If HI equals 12 inches, find the length of HK. Okay, so the big idea is perimeter. To find the perimeter, you want to add all the sides because perimeter is the distance around the shape. All right, the strategy, we're going to use draw a picture. I already drew the picture of the parallelogram. A parallelogram has four sides where opposite sides are parallel to one another. And we're also going to use the strategy guess and check and distractor alert. There's a distractor as one of the multiple choice answers here. All right, when it says that the parallelogram is called HIJK, what it means is that these vertices are labeled HIJK in that order as you go around the parallelogram. When it says HI is 12 inches, that means the distance from H to I is 12 inches. So this is 12. We have to figure out what is the length of HK. So here's HK. So this length right there, that's HK. All right, so let's use guess and check. And let's say I'm looking at the possible multiple choice answers. And I'm like, maybe 20. Let's guess 20. So possibly this is 20. All right, how can we check to see if this is right? Now, what we do know is it says the perimeter is 32 inches. So the perimeter is 32. We know that. We have to then add the sides to see if we get 32. So let's say we add 20 plus 12. So 20 plus 12 is 32, and we might think that the answer is 20. However, the answer is not 20. That is the distractor. They know that some people are going to say, since 20 plus 12 is 32, 20 must be the answer. It is not the answer. And the reason is because to find perimeter, you have to add all of the sides, not just two of the sides. And this shape has four sides. So really the perimeter of this would be 20 plus 12 plus 20 plus 12, and that would be bigger than 32. So again, 20 was the distractor, so you have to watch out for those in a multiple choice test. Are there any distractors that are really not the answer, but they're trying to set a trap for you and to think that it's the answer? All right, so let's say we guess again with A. A says 4. All right, so that's the guess. Now let's do the check for the guess and check. So remember, perimeter is to add all the sides, not just two of the sides. So we have to add 12 for the top, 12 for the bottom, 4 for HK, and also 4 on this side where the IJ is, and add up all the sides. And if that adds up to 32, then we're right. So does that up to 32? It does. And so because 4 is the missing number that makes this problem add up to have a perimeter of 32, 4 is the answer, and there you go. So again, let's draw a picture, it's guess and check, it's watch out for the distractors, and it's knowing how to find perimeter, all of that rolled into one problem.